Okay, we have a new test. Now we want to configure a browser profile. I'm clicking on the ellipsis next to Profiles drop-down, and here I have default Chrome profile. My goal is to create new profile that is working in incognito mode, so no auto-completion data is collected, and it is also independent from my regular browser profile. So if I go and enter some form, no auto-completion values show up. I'm clicking on duplicate, and what is very important, I'm clicking local. It will be local profile that will be saved together with my test. I'm choosing Chrome private and clicking the OK button. Now I may Google for information, or I may find it on Rapise doc site about how to make private browser session. It describes the procedure that I'm following right now. So for Chrome, I need to specify incognito, and I may also optionally specify user data dir to say that I want a separate profile. I'm going to use both. When choosing custom user data dir, I need to set it first, -user -data -dir equals. And here I'm going to use some folder where browser profile will be stored. I'm going to create a new folder, call it incognito profile. So this profile would contain all browser data. It would be independent from my regular browser profile, and will not store any auto-completion information. I'm saving this profile and testing it. You see, it shows up as a brand new version of Chrome. So if I start typing something like library information system, it doesn't suggest me completions. I don't remember my previous URLs, so it's like clean installation. The only thing that is missing here is Rapise Chrome extension, because if I run usual Chrome, let me launch it. So this is my regular Chrome. It has Rapise Chrome extension already installed. It has some Google information and history remembered, and it has some auto-completion data. So if I type just a couple of letters, it shows me the whole path to library information system. And if I go to login page, you see it shows me possible auto-completions for this field. And my goal is to get rid from this all this remembered information, and because sometimes it distracts and prevents the automated test from running properly. So I want to have clean version without auto-completions. So I need to install Chrome extension, Rapise Chrome extension. I'm just typing Rapise Chrome extension here, and there will be a link to Google Chrome site, Rapise Chrome extension. I'm just choosing Add to Chrome, confirming the operation. So extension is here. I'm closing this window and right-clicking on the extension. I'm going to Manage Extensions. So the extension is already okay, but I want it to work in incognito mode. And incognito mode is a way to avoid any tracking of previously entered values, because your automated test also fill values in common input fields, and the tool will remember them. Unless you're in incognito mode, where all your entered information is completely vanished when you close the browser. So that's useful. So I'm saying allow in incognito, and that's it. I may close this Chrome. And now my Chrome profile, if I hit test, shows up as with Chrome extension available. The only thing, my my incognito profile, you see it's filled now with some folders and files. So this Chrome actually created profile right here. So last thing I'm going to do is to enable incognito mode. So I'm adding a space and type in ---- incognito. That's it, leaving the field. Now save button is active, saving it and testing it. So I have a browser in incognito mode, and it has Rapise extensions enabled. If I start typing, you see nothing is suggested. That is good. And now if I go to book management and start typing something, nothing is suggested, which is also good. So that was an intention. This is what I wanted to have in my tests. So my profile is ready, and now I may try to use it. So I need to choose it. It should be available here in the local profiles section in this dropdown, because it was a local profile from private. I also going to choose navigator open. Just do one simple step here and type URL. I may quickly get it from here. Copy. Okay, so I have trivial test. I'm saving it and playing. So it should start new Chrome in private incognito mode in separate profile and open this URL with it. Execution starts. Okay, it's here. So I'm all set for further test creation.